We are Airedale, Wharfedale and Craven CCG.
We are Bradford City CCG.
We are Bradford District CCG.
We are 3 CCGs covering Bradford District and Craven.
We're proposing setting up one CCG to replace the current 3.
We need to save £2.5 million, and this will help us to save £1 million.
This change will not affect frontline healthcare services.
You will still be able to access the same services you do now. We'd like to hear what you think.
Tell us what you think.
Tell us what you think.
Tell us what you think.